Does Ramune soda taste good? I don't know. We got 5 flavors. Let's go ahead and taste it out. Try it from 1 to 5. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Harad. Let's actually line this up correctly. We obviously are getting back to our videos, so I'm very excited for that. Like, subscribe, and comment if you guys haven't yet, man. If you guys are joining the channel, go ahead and like all the videos, man. Watch every video. Honestly, just pick a video that best feels you, that points out to you, man. For the people that are new, I literally drink and taste things. So today what we got is Ramune sodas from, I got these from FYE. Hopefully it can zoom up. But yeah, we're gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna do 5 rounds of this, and we're just gonna taste it one at a time. You guys already know these flavors are something that I probably never came across in different types. Now everyone knows that I'm just gonna run right through this, man. So let's see, what is this, like an apple pear kinda? If this thing can zoom in, please zoom in. Nope, not doing it. And this one right here is orange. Everything we taste that is like soda literally tastes the same in orange, so I'm not even expecting anything crazy from this one. I ain't gonna hold you. And then this one is a watermelon. You already know watermelon is my favorite flavor, way, and we're not saying that because of race. So get back into it. Let's go. Watermelon is literally the best flavor in things. And then pineapple. I love pineapple, man. Who doesn't love pineapple? At least we got, what is this, muscat? It says muscat. Actually, I'm gonna make sure this zooms in on that. It says muscat. You see that? It spells that out. I don't understand what the heck this is. Looks like a grape, but who knows? So we're gonna do it, round 1. Let's jump right into it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it a little bit interesting so you guys can continue to watch the video. Don't click off, and make sure you guys click the ads. That's right, click the ads. What we're doing is we're just gonna make it like a, little guessing game. So I'm gonna use my little doggy bowl, right, for my dogs, and I just got each one of them in here. So I can't see them, so I'm just gonna be able to just keep round 1 of this soda tasting challenge, man, Japanese style. So let's go ahead and pick it. All right, drum roll, drum roll. All right, so what we got is the muscat. I don't know if that's the name of it, bro, but that's what it is. All right, you see, muscat. All right, me and mano. Comment down below if y'all taste this before, because whoa, what in the world just happened? Did I break it? Am I supposed to? Bro, this looks, what is this, bro? So we're having technical difficulties. How do we open this? What in the world? Does this thing come with instructions? How do I do this? What the fuck? Okay, it does come with instructions. Okay, bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Rip this one up so it's not any good. So we're gonna use this one right here. All right, so it says take the cap off. There's this little push button right there. I guess we go just like this. There you go. Wow. Now, is that supposed to be in there? I guess that's part of the thing. Hold up. And then I guess I go like this. This is something else. What the heck? Let's just taste it like this, bro. Oh, wow. Hold up. Hold up. This joint is good. This is a 5, baby. This is a So it is a type of grape. It tastes pretty good. It doesn't taste good. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I mean, y'all go to the store and y'all go ahead and just try it out yourself, but this is a good flavor. All right, guys, this is round 2 of this Japanese style soda tasting John. Let's go. Let's go ahead and just draw it. We're gonna keep the sodas over there because it makes it easier. All right, the next one is watermelon. All right, there goes watermelon. So let's go ahead and try that one. Yo, let me know in the comment section if I'm doing this right, because whatever works. So, I don't know. This thing looks like it's supposed to be part of it, so nah, it's just an open capper, so that's weird. And then you gotta drink it. Let's go. Ooh, dog it! Damn, boy! Watermelon tastes fire. Wait. Zoom in on that front. Zoom in on. Look at that, first of all, that is some good presentation on side of what it looks like for this watermelon container. It tastes pretty good. Look, it got a little smiley face on there too because it's gonna make me happy. Man, this is a 5 all the way, bro. If y'all don't believe me, go ahead and go up to them Japanese stores and go ahead and try it yourself. This is a 5 too. Ooh, refreshing. Now we're going to round 3 of this soda tasting Japanese style soda. Now we tried 2 so far. They both been 5 back to back. I don't think they're losing. They're not. So let's go ahead and just pick the next one. Ah, ooh, wow, pineapple. All right. Once again, we just got to do the same process, man. Here we go. Woo! Alright. Cheers. This one's a little bit, not flat because it's carbonated, but this one don't taste as, wow, I'm disappointed. Pineapple usually be the #1 tasting good thing when it goes to drinks and sodas and stuff like that. You're the #1 mixer. Come on, pina colada, my boy. What you doing? This ain't good. This one ain't, and I'm not just saying that because we 2 for 2. This one probably like a 3. I ain't gonna hold you. I wouldn't drink this with any. Hold on. Yeah, we can fly that one. That's a 3. We're not gonna talk anymore about that one there. Round 4 of this soda, Japanese style tasting soda thing. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this one. There's only 2 left, so whatever we get, you already know what the last one is. This one is orange flavor, so we could probably just gonna think it's gonna taste like orange soda. So I'm not gonna sit here and think it's gonna taste like orange soda. Alright. What does that ball do there? Does it make it smooth? I think it's making it smooth. Alright, take that off. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, orange. Nah, that's a 2, bro. First of all, it has no flavor. Hold on, we gonna have to show this one because this one's, you are damn ashamed to the rest of this Ramune soda. You are ashamed. You should go back to the factory. This is terrible. This one's a 2. Not delightful. We're not talking about that anymore. So, last but not least, guys, we don't need to say this is round 5, but we don't need to pick because you already know. If you're smart, there was only 2 left and I picked one of them, so that just leaves you with 1 more. So let's taste this one here. This one, honestly, I'm glad I saved this one for last because I'm not sure what this one's gonna look like. Kind of looks like a, let's see. This one looks like an apple pear. You see how it looks? It kind of looks like an apple pear. So let's see what this one tastes like. Ah, there we go. Cheers. We got one, like this. We got one. This joint is, we got one. This one is fire. We got one. This one's good. This is 5 all the way around. All right, so that's the end of this video, obviously, because it was 5 sodas, but we got a good amount of rating. There was only like 2 I really didn't like. Let's line them up. So the best ones I liked were these 3 actually. These 3 right here. The watermelon one, the muscat one, and then I'll just say apple pear because this tastes like, yeah. These ones are by far the fun. Those 2 over there, just kick them off, man. But go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. Glad you guys came and watched me today. I'm glad to be able to do another video for you guys. And you know, let me know what you guys want to see because, hey, listen, I do this for you guys, and when you guys recommend videos to do, guess what? It makes my job a lot more easier. On top of that, it makes you guys a lot more happier. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. This was a cool video. Click all the ads, but J-Rod out. Peace.